Good evening, friends and students. Today we learn accusative personal pronouns. Before understanding the accusative personal pronoun, you need to understand the accusative case. Extend it in the dative case. I extend you the dative case of the accusative case. So the accusative case has four parameters. Design where subject. I'm explaining first the nominative case, then the accusative case will come in place. I will do questions and then when only it is become. We have Zain as nominative case, which indicates nominative case. Subject, when it is the subject, it is a nominative case. When there is W for Praga, when there is no subject, it is in the nominative case. When written only when it become, this is the nominative case. Now, what happens in the accusative case? This is technically called as direct object. Accusative is called as direct object in German. Ich bin ein Lehrer. So it's a nominative case. Why? Because we have a Zain verb here. So this subject is also nominative. After the verb also it is nominative. But if there is a not Zain or not well done verb, we have the accusative case. It is subject, verb, and object. This verb has to be not a Zain verb and not a well done. Subject will be in the nominative, verb के बाद object will be in the accusative form. So direct object is the accusative form. Now let us learn the pronouns. Just remember that after the verb, it is the accusative. Simple words made. After the verb, it is in the accusative form. For I love you. Say I love you in German. Very famous dialogue. I love you in German. It's ich liebe du dich. Du becomes dich. Why it is in the object place? It is in the accusative form. Du becomes dich. After the verb is subject, verb, and this object. After the verb is the accusative form. It is not Zain verb, not well done verb. Ich is the subject. It's nominative, verb, subject, verb, then object is the accusative form. Let's look at the accusative pronouns list. Start nominative, and we say object. Informal you becomes dish. He becomes him. Er becomes ihn. After the verb. Sie. She becomes her. This is also sie. It becomes it only. It has only been the same. Where becomes in the object form. Uns. Becomes euch. And the formal you and this is they. Nominate form. So it becomes sie only. Them. This is you formal. This form remains the same, but it is in the accusative form. Us, he becomes us, it becomes it only. The English version is her here. The Z form remains the same, but the nature is different. He becomes him. Informal you. So this is the table for the accusative pronouns, personal pronouns. After the verb, this form will come. After the verb, subject, verb, and object form is this list, entire list. For example, we say they see us. They see us. They is in nominative form. She is Rehan. After the verb, we have the accusative form. We say they say we. They say I. They say he. They say him. We say right. They say she. No. They say her. That her, him, us, you, them is all accusative form. In English, literally meaning. The accusative person. So ich liebe dich, famous term. Ich liebe dich, I love you. Ich treffe dich. You know, internet connectivity issue here in today. So we learned the accusative personal pronoun. You can just pause the video and note down the personal pronoun form which I had given on the whiteboard before this session ended. So we know the accusative personal pronoun. Mich, dich, ihn. I love her. I'm going to say this. Not ich liebe. Sie. Sie is the accusative form of she becomes her. So her form is sie in German. Accusative form is sie. We love them. We lieben sie. Small is them. The form remains the same, but the nature is different. Do you love I? You say, do you love I? Leads to ish. No, they say leads to mish. Me. Me is the form which is mish in German. Mish leads to mish. Do you love me? Now let us move on to some sentences. Sentences. Continuing sentences in German. In the accusative form. So the practice the accusative form. Based on the personal pronouns. Ich möchte. After the verb, we have the accusative form dich or sie. This is the informal and sie is the formal you. We know that. Can I call you tomorrow? How will you do this? This is modal verb plus personal pronouns combination. Kann ich after ich is the verb subject. Kann ich dich oder sie morgen anrufen? Call is anrufen. Go to the end as per the modal verb concept. You understand how to use the accusative personal pronouns. I must call her tomorrow. Ich muss sie morgen anrufen. Her, him, them, us. Use same in English, same in English, but in the form in the German is different. Them again we have here. Them, us, he becomes us, they becomes them, she becomes her, ich becomes I become me. That is the form. Understand? Any doubt you can ask me and share comments.